Welcome to another Google Ads video where the Google Ads account was suspended for counterfeit suspension. However, if your Google Ads account is suspended for counterfeit goods, circumventing system, compromised site, egregious violation, unacceptable business practice policy, clocking, or any other reason, you have to go through the compliance for all of the sections before running your Google Ads account. Although the account was labeled for counterfeit goods, however, we wanted to ensure that all of the elements of the website are working fine before we apply for the Google Ads restoration. And this is another successful case study. Although we do not post all of our case studies online, however, this one is for educational purpose and how me and my team was able to restore the Google Ads account successfully after a lot of time. Please keep in mind that restoring a Google Ads account is not easy. It takes much of the time. We use various tools and systems to see what the Google is looking for. So far, we have developed a checklist of 160 plus checklists, which we use to ensure the compliance with the Google Ads account for the suspension. This case was for counterfeit goods, and my team worked hard to ensure that the account gets restored. We had to go through a number of things before we get it approved. So now this is a website. You may see around the website over here. We provided them with an alternate account. Please keep in mind this as well. So look around over there. The client had almost everything, including their original receipts, original billing files, authorized reseller certificates, and all of the information. Because the counterfeit goods is a common practice when it comes to perfumes and fragrances. However, you need to go through a detailed working for the compliance to get it approved and running. I'm going to show you the suspension first, and then how we provided them an account and how we were able to restore it over here. So you can see around over here the account. Your account is suspended for counterfeit goods. Designer goods were rejected. Their appeal was also rejected. You see around over here they was trying to add invitation, but they cannot do it. A few questions were the account suspension fee appeal form was also being filed. See around over here. Your appeal was also rejected. So these are all of the things which were rejected before running around, and I'm going to show you the appeal as well. See around over here the website as well. With the provided we have been actively selling branded fragrances for the past 3 years and have built our business around offering. So this was another appeal provided as well. So now I'm going to show you a few of the audits which my team has done for the approval to get it approved, up and running. So let's start with one of the audits to see over here. Okay, this is one of the main audits which we have done, but there were many audits which were being done over here. A lot of communication was done through the Google team. A lot of work was done on the Google Search Console for the compliance. So it's not a single thing that your account is restored tomorrow, but it takes a lot of efforts. And thankfully, it was a team effort. So credits to the team and the client who was patient and supportive enough to win all of this as well. So this is, a homepage reorder was being done. About us page was fully rewritten. Contact us page was fully rewritten. Some suggestions for the contact page were also being described. We had to sort unreliable claim or any other issue. Also, the account was suspended for counterfeit good, but as I told you that if your account gets suspended for any reason, you need to go compliant with all of the reasons to get it approved, up and running. So which is why it's you need to go through all of the errors. Look around over here. You can see authenticity security page over here, shipping policy page rewrite over here, return refund policy page rewrite over here. Regarding faulty, damaged, or incorrect items, return address, return shipping, privacy policy page over here, terms of service policy page over here, cookie policy page over here, brands page, collection page, product page, master. We even suggested rewriting all of the pages as well. With the footer, we added some things as well, that Perfume Seeker is an independent fragrance reseller operated by Grand Taj Group Incorporation. So you can see around over here we provided them with the information and announcement bar over here. You can see around over here, USA based fragrance retailer, genuine branded fragrances, secure checkout, clear return policy. So we added all of the things to make it ensure that we are an independent perfume reseller company as well, to get it up and running. Some further changes as well. Now I'm going to show you a lot more audits as well, so guys can have an idea over to see around over here. Some products had some out of stock as well. We sorted the products which has out of stock things as well. Social media pages were generic. We sorted around them. created the client, or also the client created it but figured out, cross-check the information on the social media and on the website for the compliance. You can see around over here product pages, all of the things were also being sorted around. So these are some page-to-page things as well to see around. You can see around over here a lot of working was done with the priority fixes, some small things, some Shopify internal changes as well for the profile. Just a second. Another, okay, this is, I have shown you. Okay, these are even the main audits over here. Previously the score was 41, now 58, and other audit was also being done around over here. Page to page checking was also being done, privacy policy again, all of the things were also being looked around for the compliance over here. Then another member was cross verifying all of the information on the website, the home page, the about us page, all of the pages, social medias, bio copy, even that your pages should have unique content, no plagiarism, no dead links, no broken links, no errors on search console, fast speed, no website speed issues, should be compatible with all of the devices. So I'm saying that there are a lot of things as well, and multiple order cross verifications was done for the compliance by the multiple team members over here. And even after this, I wanted to show you few more things as well. Now this is a suspension page. Another thing was that the account remained suspended. The account counterfeit goods was unsuccessful over here. You can see around over here one of the team members got this error. For security concerns, I need to verify your ID. This is the billing information. Sorry, I cannot show you more than this. They cannot create another payment profile as well. This was done later on our own provided account. Support was also being reached down over here. Another support was also being reached. Another over here to create a payment profile. Another over here. Okay, so after all of these things, so I wanted to show you few of the things, and then later on the account as well. So now this is an account. This is a test account where we tried running the ad. Thank you for contacting Google Ads. I hope you are doing well. I understand that you are concerned about the account status in your Google Ads account. I tried calling, but the call could not get. This is to one of our team members. I understand you are reaching regarding a potential policy concern and completely recognize how important it is. It is to keep your campaign running smoothly. I realize that navigating accounts and unexpected information can sometimes cause an information. I thoroughly checked your account. I am very happy to know that your account current status is active. At this moment, there are no policy restrictions or issue restrictions related to counterfeit design goods present on your account. Okay, this was all sorted and was tested before getting all of the changes over here. So this is our test account over here, and we now running for other products. But at that moment, now this is another client, another product. So we were running on this before getting it approved. And after this, when we provide them an account, we also help them with advertiser verification. You can see now around over here the advertiser verification is not being done. Now I'm going to show you the real account so you guys can have see it. So I'm going to make it refresh so you guys can see yourself as well. So now this is the account which we provided to them, and if you look around over here, thanks for verifying. The verification has been done. The ads are running. Today is 7 July, they got 1 click. Today is 7 July, so they got, yesterday they got 3 clicks as well. So they are running successfully over here. This is their ad. I wanted to show you to one of the keywords to see if you can see the ad running or no. Ad has a low rank. Okay, so look around over here. They got it on the perfume over here. So see around over here. Okay, so the ad is not running for this, but the quality score is good. So here the client need to increase their CPC. The quality score 8 is good, but you can see around over here, if I move on to today to show you that so far 1 click has also been achieved over here. So the ad is running, but running slowly, so the client need to increase their budget. I wanted to see over here because it should be running, but because it's all above fine, but they got a click today, so it may take few more days before they can start receiving more clicks, or they need to increase their CPC for now to get it approved up and running. However, the account is now working fine and the client is getting successful clicks. So yeah, this is another successful case study. Although the client is not receiving much clicks as they should be, but it's all up to the client preferences, so we have to look for those things as well, the client budget, their mood, because sometimes the client is waiting for the season, the right season, sometimes it's a hard season, sometimes season is going to be changed, or the current scenario of the local market. So there are so many things, or maybe their inventory is about to be finished, they are waiting for the new inventory. So there are so many reasons why the Google Ads account is running slowly, or if your ad is not proving. However, I have shown you that they have got clicks today as well, so you can see yourself over here. If this was yesterday, and if I move on today, you can see the client got 4 impressions and 1 click as well. So yeah, this is a successful case study for Google Ads account suspended for counterfeit goods. If your Google Ads account is suspended and needs a professional help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is AARSWEBS.com. You can find the link in the description of this video on how you can reach me and my team. Apart from Google Ads disapproval and suspension, we also offer Google Ads management, which is another successful service by us. We also help clients with Google business profile suspension, Google Merchant Center suspension, and so many things. So if your account is suspended and need a professional help, or if you need Google Ads management, just to let you know, we are a Google partner company with the name of AARSWEBS.com, and we'll love to help you. We will love to help you to get compliant and get it approved by the Google, so you can run ads freely and definitely with our management. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.